Oh, I'm over here like making G-Body's tank and stuff, which is coming out amazing, by the way. Anyway, I'm making G-Body's tank and stuff, and G-Body's just sitting there watching me make his tank and stuff. But like, bruh, I'm making the tank and stuff, and then I put this in. I kid you not. Look what I found an egg. This could be like a little lizard or a small snake, but I don't know. But fuck, what the hell? So, I'm gonna try to hatch it, and whatever hatches, hatches. So y'all know how, like, I found a random reptile egg in one of my plants today, right? Check this out. I guess everybody fucking laying eggs today. Because I look at Mama Bird, I'm like, why is he chilling in the food bowl? Like, what is you on? And I look, she laid a fucking egg. Yeah. So, I don't have a fucking nest box. It's really kind of irritating because I don't have a fucking nest box. I gotta leave the state just to go get this bitch a nest box because Arkansas doesn't have nest boxes for. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm literally like butt ass naked cleaning my shit, enjoying, minding my business, handling my pet duties. And guess what though? I know right now, guess what though, y'all? Guess what? This bitch hatched. It's a fucking brown anole. I know, right, Nina? This bitch hatched. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think this is an anole lizard. Now I gotta go, either it's a morning gecko or an anole. I think that's a brown anole. But then I don't fucking know, because look at the stripes on the back. So for those who don't know, when I added this plant right here to G-Body's cage, what like happened was when I added this plant to G-Body's cage, I repotted, I took it out the pot, and it was when I did that, it was a egg. And so I'm like, well, that's cool. So, well, you know, I know what to do with animals. So I took the egg and made a little incubation station for it. And this little John's done hatched. Yeah. I think it's a green anole, but if I'm not correct, somebody please correct me.